Okay, I wanted to take a second and show you what happens when you guys get an email document from me to work on. There's a little bit of confusion about what to do with that. So what I do is I design a spreadsheet that sort of looks like this, that has your name and your email, and then the software creates a link for you. And so I can control this link from a distance and see what you do, and I can also add a rubric or grade it straight from the link. What you see is you see an email. So here's the email. I just made a stupid email here. So this is sort of what you would see. You're now the editor on the editor on the document. I just named it Coon Dummy. And then it shows you the document. So what you should do is you just click on the link or the document, and that takes you to it. And so you modify it. So Coon, February 12, and my message. This is awesome. And all you need to do is close the document. You don't have to save it. You don't have to do anything to it. If you wanted to change the name of it to a name I asked you to, you could do that. But you don't have to do anything except for work on it and then close it. Now, if we go back to my spreadsheet, when I click on the link, it'll take me to where the document is, and I will see your work. And I can do things like highlight, and I can add a comment. No, it is not awesome. It is super awesome. And I can comment, and then you will be able to comment later too. And then when I'm finished with this, all I do is I simply get out of it. And everything is saved. So there's no uploading to a drive. There's nothing like that. So this is the advantage of me having your Gmail address. So we can sort of do this seamlessly. Now, if you have a Word document that you want to work on, so let's say I've got this document. So this is something I've been working on for the genetics unit. Let's just pretend that it's something that I want to put onto Google. So I don't have a Gmail address. For some reason, I'm not giving Mr. Coon my Gmail address to be part of the what I just showed you. So if I want to post this, then what I've got to do is I would go to my drive, and I have a choice. I can go to my drive and I can find the class folder, which is AP Biology shared folder. And what I can do is I can upload that document straight to whatever folder that's being shared. Now, the difficulty with that is, as I'll show you, is that when these things get uploaded, let's just use one of these as an example. What ends up happening is, let's do this one. What ends up happening is that you guys give me all of these Word documents. And for every one of these Word documents, it takes me about 30 seconds to convert it to a Google Doc. And this is really sort of somewhat defeating the purpose of doing it in Google. So what I would suggest you guys do is instead of trying to upload this into Google, I would just do it in Google, and then all you need to do is share that document to the shared file. So like, for example, if I want to create a document, and I'll come over and do this one. Let's not do that one. Let's do a new one. So I'll just create a document here, and I'll just do another title, fake title. Whoops, dummy3. And I want to go ahead and paste that stuff in. There's all the stuff I want to do. And so I don't have to save anything in Google Docs. It's already saving. So all I need to do is get out of it. And so I close it, and then I can go and look for it. Okay, so it'll be down here because it's not a part of a folder. And I can just take this, so I can go to my drive and look at my drive, and I can highlight this dummy3, and I can ask it to move it, and I can just go right to the shared file, and I can check it and move it, and it puts it right in there. And that's all you have to do. It's that simple. Even if you do it in Google, it's much simpler than if you do a Word document, upload it, and then I have to go back and translate it into a Google Doc. Plus, a lot of times, like I said in the other screencast, if you do that, some of your graphs and tables and things will get messed up. And I've already shown you how to avoid that. So I'll make my plea once again that if you can adjust your mindset and start doing your work in Google, it's going to be easier for all of us, because it's just really made for this kind of thing in education, to be seamless and for there to be a lot of collaboration and to share things back and forth. Okay, so that's the second screencast. I'll probably do another one soon on how to make graphs and tables in the charts of Google. All right, hope it helped. Thanks.